Hello, sir. My name is Avinash, and today I would like to present the CIS 202 group assignment. My members consist of Narendra Singh, Sanjay, Kiran, Avinashmi, Muruga, and Jayanesh. So a little bit about the introduction about our business. So our business is about Publicis Group, which is a global leader in marketing, communication, and digital business transformation, which is established in 1926. And also the vision for this business is to be a world leader in marketing, communication, and digital transformation by delivering innovative and effective solutions to clients. The mission is to help clients navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of digital and traditional media, providing them with the tools and strategies to succeed in their respective markets. The implementation of Cisco Packet Tracer for this Publicis group IT departments can be designed in a network that supports its extensive digital infrastructure, ensuring that all branches and departments from finance to management between two offices are interconnected and can operate efficiently. So the network design have been implemented with one HQ router and two office routers, which is in-connected routers, switches, laptops, printers, computers enable seamless communication and efficient data transfer towards each other. And first, the network design, we have implemented a redundancy and reliability, which is dual IT department and server rooms ensure high availability and disaster recovery capability. For the security part, segmented networks with robust security measure protects sensitive data and ensures compliance with regulatory standards. For the scalability is the modular design allows for easy expansion as the company grows or requires additional resources. For the efficiency consists of optimized traffic flow and resources allocation enhance overall network performance in the organization. For the IT department, there will be the Office 2 router connected to the main HQ router, which is routes traffic between the Office 2 network, which is the network IP address will be 128.168.0.0 subnet and to the main HQ network. The router will also manage IP traffic between two subnets and entry devices in the Office 2 router. For the
Hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Kiran. I have done the management department. So in this management department, router HQ is connected to the switch. From there, it is connected to the end devices. Through router, from the router, device in the management department can access other part of organizations and potentially the internet. I mean, they can share files and access the internet and so on. Everything can be done as usual. Another is PC and printer. Each device is connected to the switch and router is assigned a unique IP address within the 255.255.255.0 subnet. It means every single end device have their unique IP address. It's a static IP address. Management department using VLAN 30 to isolate management related traffic from other departments enhancing security and privacy. It means inside documents cannot be previewed by other department for the security and privacy concern. Management department is integrated into the organization's larger network through the connection from office switch to router, which in turn connect to the main network infrastructure. So it means this switch, these end devices, these printers are still connected to the server, DNS, and so on. So anybody in this department, any department can still access the internet, but all these documents or related some of the IP address has been blocked to the using VLAN 30 for their security and privacy concern. That's all, sir. Thank you very much.
Hi sir, now I'll be talking about the manager department. The manager department contains a switch and two connected devices. Firstly, it has switch 3, which is the central switch for the manager department, and it manages data traffic within the segment. Now let us talk about the connected device. The first connected device is PCO. It is a desktop computer and its IP address is 192.168.4.2. And then now we will talk about laptop 0. It is a laptop and the IP address is 192.168.4.3. And the purpose of manager department is that it facilitates efficient communication and resource sharing for managerial tasks. And it also connects to the central router for interdepartmental communication. Now I'll be talking about the security purpose of manager department. First one is that we can have firewall rules. Specific firewall rules can be applied to the ping segment. It restricts inbound and outbound traffic based on security policies. Second one is data protection. It ensures that sensitive managerial information is confined to the ping segment, and it reduces risk of data leakage to other parts of the network. And then secure communication. Use of encryption for the communication within and outside the segment. It will protect the data from intercepted during transmission. Thank you.
Next, coming to the Office 1 IT department, there are 7 components which are Office 1 Switch 1, where the respective IP address is 192.168.1.0, and this switch is responsible for connecting all the end devices within the IT department. Then we have PC 14, PC 15, PC 16, PC 17, and also PC 18. All the IP addresses for this PC are assigned respectively, where the IP addresses are PC 14 is 192.168.1.2, PC 15 192.168.1.3, PC 16 192.168.1.4, PC 17 192.168.1.5, PC 18 192.168.1.7. The functions of the PC, or we can call it the end devices, is that it is a desktop computer within the Office 1 IT department and likely used for all the IT services provided by the company. When it comes to IP addressing and subnetting, it is divided into two, which is subnet and also network address. In subnet, the devices in the IT department from the office use the IP range 192.168.1.0, which is a common private IP range. This range allows for up to 254 unique IP addresses accommodating many devices. Meanwhile, in network address, 192.168.1.0 is typically the network address for the subnet, not assigned to any individual devices. Devices within the subnet will have IPs from 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.254. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the functionality and also the connectivity. It is divided into 3 stages, which is internal, external network, and also organizational integration. In internal network, it is divided into 2 stages, which are communication and also resource sharing. Communication is where devices are connected to Office 1 Switch 1 and can communicate directly with each other within the IT department. Meanwhile, in resource sharing, the setup allows for sharing resources such as files, printers, and also application among the devices in the IT department. Coming to the external network, we have created access to other departments and internet. This means that through Office 1 router, device in the IT department can access other parts of the organization and potentially in the internet. Office 1 router manages traffic between the internal network and the IT department and other external networks. Coming to the organizational integration, the IT department is integrated into the organization's larger network through the connection from Office 1 switch on to Office 1 router, when in return it connects to the main network infrastructure. Next, I would like to talk about the security management. It is divided into 2 stages, which is segmentation and also IP management. In segmentation, by separating its traffic from the other departments, the IT department dedicated switch and subnet improve network security and performance. Meanwhile, in IP management, private IP addressing facilitate effective internal networking traffic by management by preventing conflicts and guaranteeing dependable connectivity.
Hi everyone, I'm Muruga. Today I'll be walking you through the functionality, connectivity, security, and management aspects of our finance department's network setup. Let's delve into how our network supports our daily operation and ensures seamless communication and resource sharing both internally and externally. When it comes to functionality and connectivity, our finance department operates on an internal network specifically connected to VLAN 20. This setup allows us to securely access shared resources such as database and financial systems within our department. In the internal network, VLAN 20 ensures that our data remains segregated and secure within our department. All printers are accessible from the same network, facilitating efficient printing of financial documents and reports. When it comes to external network, we have seamless access to other departments and the internet, crucial for exchanging information and accessing external resources. Technical support is readily available via VLAN 10 through router Office 1, connecting us to our local IT department for prompt assistance when needed. When it comes to communication and resource sharing, it is effective communication is enabled across department, enhancing collaboration on projects and initiatives. Resource sharing ensures that all team members have access to necessary tools and documents, fostering productivity and efficiency. When it comes to security and management, security is paramount to protect our sensitive financial data. Our network is equipped with firewall configured monitor to control all inbound and outbound traffic. This ensures that data exchanges are secure and compliant with our internal policies and regulatory requirements. In conclusion, our financial department's network infrastructure is designed to support our operational needs. It provides robust connectivity both internally and externally and ensures secure connection and resource sharing. It also implements stringent security measures to safeguard our data. This setup not only enhances our daily workflow but also positions us to adapt future challenges and opportunities in the financial landscape. Thank you.
Next, we'll take a look at Office to Server Room. So the network components in Office to Server Room is Office to Switch, Server PT DNS with IP address 1.0.0.2, Server PT FTP with IP address 1.0.0.1, Server PT Web with IP address of 1.0.0.3, and there's also a PC with IP address of 1.0.0.5. The IP addressing scheme is 1.0.0.0 and they're all within a private network range. The connections, so switch 1 is connected to various servers and PC in the server room, facilitating internal communication between these devices. Next, we'll take a look at the testing and validation. So there are multiple testing steps. We have ping test, which are divided into two: intra-department connectivity and inter-department connectivity. We also ping to servers, and then we run traceroute tests, DHCP testing, and also DNS testing.
So that's about our presentation, sir. Thank you.